Everybody and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can actually fix auto aim in GTA V. So basically, auto aim or basically aim assist, how you can fix it and actually come back and start playing with GTA Online with aim assist. So first of all, you need to be in story mode, okay? Now once you're in story mode, I want you to do multiple fixes first and make sure multiple settings are enabled first. So first of all, you're going to press on escape and then you're going to navigate to your settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to navigate all the way to your gamepad. Now make sure you have it on a targeting mode is on something called aim assisted aim full. Basically, when you have this assisted aim full, basically have the full-on aim assist. Okay. Now once you have it like this, it's going to be set it to your to all your settings. Okay, and once you have it, now you have your aim assist working. But there's one downside is that when you're online, you're going to get matched also against players that also have a full aim assist. Okay, so watch for that. Okay, now once you have it on assisted aim, you're going to try it out in online and on. But I recommend you trying it I recommend you to trying it in story mode. Now, one thing you need to do, or actually, if this doesn't work, also, is just make sure the third-person control type. Just change it. Change it to make sure your buttons are working. So just change it to alternate, and just try it out. Basically, you're going to switch up your R2 and R1, and your L2 and L1. Okay, you're going to switch it, and they're going to be switched it. Okay, and once you switch them, you're going to try it and see if it works, just to make sure your control doesn't have any problem. Then you can actually mess up with these and see if actually it works. You can actually try standard FPS, and some people play with standard FPS and it works. If it doesn't work for standard FPS, go for alternate, and it doesn't go for alternate, try out standard FPS 2. Okay, these also will have the standard FPS 2 and alternate FPS 2. Both of these actually could actually fix your aim assist problem. One thing actually is when you're in online, make sure when you're online is actually you pull up your interactive menu and scroll down all the way down. Okay, and when you scroll all the way down in the interactive menu, you have something called precision type. Okay, make sure this is on everyone. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can do this right now. Now once you have your interactive interaction menu up, you're going to scroll all the way down, okay, down, until something called player targeting priority. Make sure this is on everyone. Do not make it on attackers, do not make it on strangers, make sure it's on everyone. And once you have both of these nodes, you're actually going to get your aim assist, and your aim assist problem is actually going to get fixed, and you're going to play GTA without any problems. So guys, that was it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.